Okay, so mean, we have seen the mean. If we have the formula for mean, we have seen yesterday. Mean has two formulas, is denoted by x bar if all the terms are in given uh, separately, means raw data up to n. We will add them and divided by number of observations, and this can be written as, this is the summation, so we can write summation xn divided by n. And if we write here xn, then no need to show I. If you write xi, then you have to show xi. So we can, in short, we can write, if frequencies are also given, then the formula will be, we have to multiply x1 f1 plus x2 f2 up to xn fn divided by sum of the frequencies f1 plus f2 plus up to fn, or it can be written in the summation sign xn fn divided by summation of fn. Okay, so this is mean. Mean is the average. Average. Mean or average is the, our arithmetic mean is the same thing. Then we have median. What is median? Median, if the given values are arranged in ascending or descending order, if the given values okay, Imran and Purvang, if the given values are arranged, this is the main thing, we have to arrange in ascending or descending order, are arranged in in ascending or descending order. We can make in ascending or descending order, doesn't matter, है ना? In ascending or descending order, means highest to lowest value, lowest to highest value. Then the middlemost value is called the median. Then the middlemost value of the observation, then the middlemost value of the given observations is called its median. But there are some cases when you are finding two values in median. When you are finding two, when you are finding one, you see that if you have 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9, these are the marks. The middlemost value is 5 and number of terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many terms are there? Take it 4, don't get confused. So number of values are 5. Here n is 5. How many values are there? 5 values. These are the 5 values, total values. How many values are given? We have given 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4 and 7. So 4, it is written in the ascending order. I have written in the ascending order. If not written, you have to write first in the ascending order, then middlemost value. This is the middlemost value. This is the median of this data. The median is 4 here. So directly you can get median is the middlemost value 4. And there is a formula that n is, here n is what? 5. That is odd. And you are getting which term? Third term. So 5 plus 1 by 2. So that means if n is odd, if number of terms is odd, if n is odd, then we can say median will be the value of n plus 1 by second observation. Like here you can see 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, 3. So third observation, this is first observation, second observation, third observation is 4. Therefore, median is 4. So value of the n plus 1th observation. Okay. So this is if n is odd. But if it is even, let's say that suppose you have 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, and 10. Now you have two values in between, not one value. In this case, what will you do? You will add them and divide by 2. So median will be equal to what? 4 plus 7 divided by 2. That means 11 by 2. Correct? So 5.5 median. So if n is odd, this is how many terms are here? Here n is equal to 6. So third term, you got the third term, that means 6 by 2, third term, and 6 by 2 plus 1 8 term. So n by 2 terms, n by 2 plus 1 8 term divided by 2. So if n is even, then median will be equal to value of, first you will write the value of n by second term, n by second observation plus the next observation of this, that is value of, this is n by second plus 1, n by second plus 1. This is above 1 is n plus 1 by 2. This is n by 2 plus 1. N first divided by 2 and then add 1. Here add 1 in n and then divide by 2. N plus 1 by second observation and whole term, it is divided by 2. Divided by 2 half. Like this you can see that n by 6 by 2 means third value, third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. The third observation is 4, fourth observation is 7 divided by 2. Like this we can find the median. And mod the value, the frequency is the number of times a value occurs is called its frequency. And maximum number of times the value which occurs maximum number of times is called mode. So there is no formula in your course for mode. You can directly find the mode. You check that whichever is having highest frequency or whichever is coming maximum number of times. So the mode it is the observation which occurred maximum number of times, highest maximum number of times. So just to see and find out the mode, we can find out. So we have the first question from our exercise. There we have to find mean, mode, and median. You can understand better from that question. So I'm checking 14.4, question number 1. You can see here 14.4, question number 1. Find mean, mode, median, all the three things we have to find out here. And the score has been given. The following numbers. Following is the score by a team in a series of 10 matches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. So first we have to find the mean. Okay. So for finding the mean, we have to add all these values. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. You should write 0 also because we will count 5 when divide. Plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. These are 10 values. Already given, these are the 10 scores. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divided by 10. So you get 3 plus 2, 5, 10, 14, 15, 18, 21, 25, 28. 28 divided by 10. So you get the mean as 2.8 run. Mean score. Now median. So for median, you have to arrange in the ascending order. Arrange first. For median, what we are finding now? Second, median. So we cannot find directly median. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. So which is the lowest value is 0. Okay. So first you will write 0. 0. Okay. Then 1 is coming one time only. So 1. 0. Then 1. Then 2 is there. Yes. 2 is one time only. So you will write 2 one time only. Then 3 is coming how many times? Just check. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 3 is coming 4 times. So you will write 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then 4 is 2 times. 4, 4 and then 5. And then 5. Check. These are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 3, 6, 9, 10. These are 10 values. Okay. Now you can see how many 10 values. What will be the middlemost value? You can see that how many numbers here? 4 numbers here, 4 numbers here. If you will leave 4 numbers right side, 4 numbers left side, so you are getting 2 numbers in between because n is 10 even. So here in this case, you will write median is equal to add them and divide by 2. And luckily you have both the values same, that's why it will come same. So 3 plus 3, otherwise you have to add and divided by 2. 3 plus 3, 6 divided by 2 to 3. 3 is the median. Mode. There is no formula for mode. We can directly find out which number is coming maximum or the number of times. You can see 3 is coming 4 times, 4 is coming 2 times, so 5 is coming. So 3 is coming, 3 occurs here, 3 occurs 4 times. That is maximum number of times. Therefore, mode is equal to 3. Mode is also 3. So mode is 3, median is 3, and mean is 2.8. Okay, got it? So we have other questions also, same mean, median, mode, mean, median, mode. Only the last question number 5 is different. Last question, yes, okay. Last question is different there. Otherwise, all the questions we have to find the mean, mode, median. Question number 3, there is one. Okay, 14.4. Question number 1. We have done. Second, mean, mode, median, same way. Third question is we have some different values and we have to find the unknown values. The question, just you see this question is, find the x value x. We have to find the value x. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. If the median of the data already occurred in the median, so and the median is also given, we have to find the value of x. Okay. So median is already given. What we have given? We have given the median as already given. We have median is equal to 63 and they have arranged in the ascending order. Okay. So already it is given, it is in the ascending order. So ascending order is already given 29, 32, 48, 50, x, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 95. So n, what is the number of observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 observations. So you will leave 4 this side, 4 this side. So middlemost value is these two. Only these two values are in 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. So these two values are the middlemost values. So therefore the median, according to the formula, median is equal to the sum of these two values x plus 2 by 2. If it is solvable, you can solve 2x plus 2 by 2. You can take 2 common, so this will become x plus 1 by 2 and divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, we get x plus 1. But median is already given 63, so we can equate with 63 this x plus 1 is equal to median, so 63. So therefore x is equal to 63 minus 1, that is equal to 62. So here one unknown value we have to find out, that is x, and that's why median has already given. We have to find the median equate to the given value. Okay, got it? So again the question number 4 is directly mode. You have to check which number is occurring maximum number of time. Then question number 5, we have given one table. So we have to find some questions are there. Okay, I'll take this question number 5. Find the mean. Yes, we have to find the mean. Here frequency and values are given. We have to find the mean. Sigma xi fi. I will. Okay. So we have to make these two columns as it is. Then we can. This is the salary in this same. You can write here xi. This first column you have to make for solving x xi. Okay. So this first column is xi. Second will be fi. And third column we will make one more column xi fi. Xi fi. And their summation. So one more column you have to make. So you have given this column. You can divide the column like this. Okay. Numbers are big, so it will be big values. Okay. So now you have to find the new column xi fi to find the mean. Sigma xi fi. So 3000, you have to multiply 3000 with 16. Correct? You will get 48,000. Here the answer will be 4800. 48,000. Okay. Then You have 4,000 into 12, again 48,000. 5,000 into 10, 50,000. And 6,000 into 8, 6 8 the 48,000. Then 7 6 the 42,000. Then 8 4 the 32, 32,000. Okay, Imran. And then 9 3 the 27,000, 27,000, 27,000. Then 1,000, 10,000. Sorry, this is 10,000. This is 4 zeros, so 10,000. Okay, got it. This all values you have to add. 48,000, 48,000 plus 48,000 is coming 3 times. So 48,000 3 times you add. Then in that you can add 50,000. Then you can add 42,000. Then 32,000. Then 27,000. And then 10,000. So you can also check, this is coming 305, 305,000, 3 lakhs 5,000. This is sigma xi fi. So what we got, sigma fi means summation of fi. This is fi, as I told you. So sigma fi is 60. This is sigma xi fi. One line you should make. And this is sigma xi fi is 33 lakhs, 3 lakhs 5,000. Now you can find the mean. Mean is equal to sigma xi fi divided by sigma fi. Sigma xi fi is 305,000 divided by 60, divided by 60. So 7 766.66 you are getting. This is the answer. 14.4, question number 5. You have the project also. 14.4. The answer is not correct. 5083. So you have to check the summation. You can check answer. We will check it again. 305,000 divided by 60. Yeah. Oh, sorry. The division was wrong. It's correct. Only that division was wrong. So everything is correct. So we are getting 5083.33 is the mean average. Okay. So like this, you can do it. All the question we have finished this lesson actually. We have finished the lesson. Yeah. Give the example of situation in which the mean is appropriate. This is the last question. Here they are just asking the answers of these questions where the mean question. Okay, I'll take the question. Although we have to do many extra questions to understand better. Okay, so this is the question. What is the mean in which the mean is an appropriate measure of center? Given examples which where the mean is an appropriate measure of central tendency. We have to write the examples where mean is not an appropriate measure, but the mean is an appropriate measure. Okay. Mean is a quantitative central tendency of a data. So for measuring central tendency of marks of a test, we find the mean of the data. For marks of a test, mean is the correct appropriate measure of central tendency when we are finding the mark, because the reason you will write the first answer. Mean mean is a mean is a quantitative central tendency of data. Central tendency of a data. For example, when we are calculating the mark, we used to use the mean. For measuring central tendency of mark is appropriate measure we want to take. Then for measuring central tendency of marks of a test, marks of a test. So we will find the average. We are going to find the average. So we find the mean of the data. The mean of the data will give you the appropriate picture, mean of the data. Second, median. You know that median is a qualitative central tendency of a means it will show that which is the middlemost value. So median is showing a qualitative measure. So it is showing that qualitative yes, explaining fast because we have less time. We have to finish this, Imran. That's why I am just explaining fast. You can see the recordings and then you can see many times this explanation. That's why we have no problem. If I am explaining fast also, you can see the recording of a data. The median is a qualitative central tendency of data. Qualitative means which tells about the quality. So whenever we are concerned with the quality, we will find the median. We will find the median for measuring, for example, the beauty of a group of women. Determine the median of the data. We want to find the beauty, then we will take the middlemost beauty that will be the our measure of central tendency. For example, for measuring central tendency of beauty. Beauty is a quality, so qualitative measure. Beauty of a group. So when we are finding the beauty of a group, so we use group of women. Then we determine the median of the data in this case. So these are the two examples, median of the data. So that's all for this chapter. So next time we will have extra questions on this chapter. Okay. And this is our plan. According to plan, we have finished our syllabus up to June.